Hey guys, so I'm really sweating right now. I just came from a really long walk and I completely forgot that I had to make this video. I mean, I had it in my mind that I have to make it, but then I was out and I totally forgot about it. And then I came home and I see this waiting for it to unbox. And that's why I set up my camera and I'm here to film. So let me grab the scissors. And by the way, the last video which I posted was a March Fab Bag one, and it's April already and I have this month's Fab Bag right here, and I think I'm one of those who received it first in the first week itself. So I'm really excited to see what I got. So let me open this. And if you guys didn't check out my last video, I will put the link here so you can click on that. And by the way, I'm always updating my Snapchat, talking about products and where I am and how my day was, what I'm up to. So you guys can follow me on Snapchat. I'll put the link below if you're interested, and also for the Instagram. Alright, I've opened this and my Fab Bag is half open. Like, look at this. I don't know. And this is very interesting. I love the color. I would love to have a lipstick of this color. I mean, this is really pretty. Okay, ignore that. And yeah, it's very jute baggish kinds. I really like it. And the zip is also very fancy this time. I like it. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, this is a Fresh Look, the world's largest selling cosmetic contact lenses. Okay, so they gave me an option of choosing whether I want to receive a lens, one-time usable contact lens or not, and obviously I chose yes, I want it. I mean, why would I say no to something I'm getting? And they asked me which color I wanted, so they had different colors given and I was really not sure about what would suit me. So I went to their website, the Fresh Look website, and chose one color. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, so this one's Fab Bag is the spring themed one. So here is the card and it says it's a spring April Fab Bag. So yeah, spring is good, but off late it's really hot in Bangalore. So alright, the product which I received first is the foaming face scrub. I have so many face scrubs and body scrubs already. I don't know what to do. So this is the exfoliating and cleansing scrub by Nyasa, and this is the anti-wrinkle one and has apricot extracts in it. The dogs won't stop barking. It's annoying. Okay, I like the smell. It's got that really fresh and minty feel when I smell it. So I'm just wondering how it'll feel when I actually scrub my face with it. I'm really excited to try this though. Okay. Alright, so they also were introducing this brand called Catrice. So they asked if I need any makeup product. So I chose Catrice one because I already had other things like the Fran Wilson Mood Matcher lipstick, the Makeup Revolution one. I think already I got all those products, so this is the one thing which I didn't try, so I chose this one. This is the long lasting eye pencil. It's waterproof and this is in the shade okay, this is in the shade Moss Undercover. That is like the very greenish seaweed color, and it's very difficult to open this right now, so I really can't swatch it for you guys. I mean, it'll consume a lot of time, so I'll do it later. Product which I received is the Natural Bath and Body Whipped Cream. This is the magic charm for sensitive skin with vitamin E in this, and this is also paraben free. So what exactly is this? This is the loaded with vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, and a charmed portion of virgin coconut oil, sweet almond oil and argan oil. This ultralight cream completely nourishes, softens and tones the skin. I don't know, maybe it's just a face cream. Let me know. It says it's whipped cream, but they don't have any directions on how to use it. So I'm kind of confused. They should have mentioned it. Okay, so here comes the mask. Actually, these two are together. So this is the natural Bath and Body clay face mask, and it's called French Red Clay, an earthy mask for heavenly skin. Okay, this sounds interesting and I really want to try it out. I mean, this looks something new. This is the O3 Plus Reinvent Your Skin Whitening Mask. Okay, two products, two face masks in this month's fab bag. That's interesting. I didn't tell you guys the prices. Well, the eyeliner is worth 330 rupees and the foaming face scrub, for the 200 gram it would be 600 rupees. So this is the 30 grams one. So I think that would be around 60 bucks. I'm not sure. Not good at math. Okay, so here is the eye lens and I chose the one in grey color because I was really confused whether which would suit with me and all that, and I went to their website and I checked, I uploaded my picture and I put the colors. You have the option of choosing the colors on your picture first, and I looked freaking scary. So I really wanted to try one, so that's why I got this. I really want to try this, but it's just a one-time thingy. I mean, I can't reuse it, so I don't know how to do this, and I'm really scared and excited at the same time, so I'll let you know how it turned out. And the last product is bubble wrap. Let me open this. So this is the Style Fiesta accessory, and they say that this is worth rupees 499. So I think these are the earrings, some dangles. Let me open this. Okay, these are the earrings which I got. I'm so excited. I want to try this. Okay, so what do you guys think? How does it look? I mean, this would really look good when I'm going for a wedding or something, but I don't know. It's pretty good. It's something new which I don't have in my collection, and even though I don't wear earrings a lot of times, I mean, if you know me, you would be seeing I don't wear it at work or if I'm meeting anyone out unless it's like a really special occasion. But I love buying earrings and I love wearing it occasionally, so I think I'm going to like it. I like it. Alright, so guys, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you serious? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are you kidding me? I got 7 products in my fab bag. I mean, the whipped cream and face scrub. Then I got this whitening mask. And I got this eyeliner. This scrub. So basically, I got 4 face products, 1 makeup product, and 1 accessory. The accessory, the earrings, and the contact lenses. So this month has been really interesting. I loved it, and I really like this fab bag also. This is so girly and so cute. I'm definitely not going to put it aside like I have my other fab bags. I'm definitely going to use this for my work. Like, I'll put some makeup products which I'm going to take with me or something like that, and I really love this. I mean, this is so pretty. So alright guys, let me know which jewelry accessory you received or which color of a contact lens you selected for yourself, and if you have tried any of these in the past or you want to try, or any other questions. And also check out my Facebook page. I'm planning on doing something interesting in the future over there. So let me know if you like to see anything else in the future, like what kind of videos and all that, and I would love to do it for you guys. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys with a makeup tutorial really soon. Bye.